If you're a foreigner thinking about buying land in Jakarta, you're probably going to lose money, and here's exactly how to avoid it. Here's the problem. Most foreign buyers don't know the one law that stops them cold. Rule 1. You can lease land for up to 30 years, not own it outright. Rule 2. Hire a local lawyer before signing anything. Costs about 5 to 10 million rupiah. A foreigner in 2026 wants to buy a house in Jakarta. They find a stunning property listed at 2 billion rupiah. The real estate agent doesn't mention that Indonesian law, Article 26 of the Land Law, blocks foreign ownership of freehold land. They sign papers anyway. 6 months later they discover they don't actually own anything. They've wasted time, money, and legal fees. TheBaliLawyer handles this exact problem every week. They explain the rules up front so you don't buy the wrong thing. Most people fail here. They hire a real estate agent, not a lawyer. Agents make money on the sale. They won't tell you that you can't own land as a foreigner because the deal falls apart. Do not skip the lawyer. TheBaliLawyer protects you before you hand over any money. Step 2. Check your visa status right now. If you're on a tourist visa, forget freehold ownership completely. You need either a KITAS, temporary resident permit, or a permanent resident visa to even be in the conversation. TheBaliLawyer can walk you through visa requirements in 15 minutes via Zoom. Step 3. Understand the leasehold structure in detail. This is important. Most foreign buyers actually lease land for 30 years, renewable to 60 years total, with a building on top that you do own. The ground stays Indonesian property. TheBaliLawyer reviews your lease agreement clause by clause, so you don't inherit hidden costs in year 15. Here's the problem. DIY research takes weeks and you still miss tax traps. TheBaliLawyer does a full property check in 2 days, flagging every risk before you commit. One client saved 800 million rupiah by catching an illegal title before purchase. That's the difference between guessing and expertise. If you're determined to buy as a foreigner, use this exact search: PT Limited Company, Freehold Land Jakarta. You can own freehold land through an Indonesian company. This is the legal workaround. Form a PT with a local director, register the property in the PT's name, and you control it. TheBaliLawyer sets up the PT with proper notary paperwork in 5 to 7 business days for around 50 million rupiah, including all compliance. Then they register the land transfer with the local land office.
Tell the notary, saya ingin mendaftarkan tanah atas nama PT, dengan direktur lokal dan izin kepemilikan asing yang sesuai hukum.
I want to register the land under a PT name, with a local director and foreign ownership permission that complies with Indonesian law. Foreigners lease land up to 30 years, not own it. Always hire a lawyer before any real estate deal in Jakarta. Form a PT company to own freehold land legally as a foreigner. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer for a free property consultation on WhatsApp. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.